Mr. Neil, thank you your message. I get it, I read it and watch your video. I think I have some wrong, some mistake, so I want to remake the video for your reference from the beginning. Now you can find type A is the mark is 0. Now we want to adjust to 3. Now is 3. Type A is set up 3. Now I want to set up type A1. A1 is 0. We want to remove and set up for number 4. Type A1 is the number 4. Or close pause and close the speed, slow down for your reference. First time you remove to the 20 degree, you find very fast. You need to adjust type A1 brake device. Then try remove the door to the 20 degree. You find, suppose this close speed is too fast. You want it adjust more. Then try again your door. Suppose this speed you like. Then remove the door until 90 degree. You find 90 degree and to the 30 too fast. You need to adjust type A brake device. Then remove again 90 degree. Try the door. You know you can show is a slow down. Then you can remove the 20. It can close 50. Can close 90. Is the 60 and 70 for the regular use. You need to find. Now you can find. You stop the 20. You can release the some type A brake little, release little. Then try again. 60 degree for the regular use. You can find, now it can be moved closely. Then again, the 90 degree. Now suppose you can find 20 degree. Maybe it's too fast. Then you can adjust the little power for the type little only, or type 1 brakes. Then you try again, 90 degree. You can find under the 20 degree. Slow down now, but I think you can keep more, try. Then remove the 20 degree, 90 degree again. Then the 60 and 70 for regular use. Then 20 can closely. Then 60 and 70. Okay, closely. Okay, you tell me you want to push the door. Push the door. Push the 70. Push the 20. Double check. Final check the 90 degree. Suppose you think it's under the 20 degree, too fast. You can adjust little type 1, little type. Let's try again. $60 or $70 again. 90 degree. Now is the pushing. 20, 50, 70, and 80. I think no trouble, but I really have trouble. I want to send this for your reference. The major reason I want to come here, we can face-to-face talk how to adjust. Thank you. Bye-bye.